Hello students, I am taking third chapter of class 10th, pair of linear equation in two variable. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are two linear equation in two variable. These are the general form of the linear equation. Then there are three conditions. First condition is a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, where a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are real numbers. If a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then the graph will be of intersecting lines, or you can say one solution. Second condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, so that coincident lines or infinite many solution. Third condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, that is parallel lines. The lines will not meet at any point in the graph, or you can say no solution. Now I am taking one example of exercise 3.2. Example question number first. 10 students took parts in a quiz and the number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys. Then you have to find the number of boys and girls and also solve this question graphically. Now I am taking number of boys, suppose x, and number of girls is equal to y. Then there are total student 10, so you can take x plus y is equal to 10, and number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, so that y is equal to 4 plus x, or you can say x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is equation first, this is equation second. Now x plus y is equal to 10, first equation, and y is equal to 4 plus x, second equation. You can change this equation as x is equal to 10 minus y, and now I am finding 1 2 3 4 5 solution of this equation. Now first, if we take y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 10 minus 0 10, and if we take y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 10 minus 1 9, and so on. Second, y is equal to 4 plus x and y. I am taking first value x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0 here, then you will get y is equal to 4 plus 0, that is 4. Now x is equal to 1, put 1 here, then 4 plus 1 5, x and y 1 and 5, and so on like this. Now draw the graph of these two equations. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now plot the point. First point is 10 0. 10 0 means on the x-axis. This is the point 10 0. Second point is 9 1. This is 9 1. Third point is 8 2. This is 8 2. This is 7 3, and so on. Now this line. The equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 10, and second line is 0 4. First point is 0 4. 0 4 means this point. Second point is 1 5. 1 positive, 5 positive, 1 5. Third point is minus 1 3. Minus 1 3. This will be the minus 1 3. Now you can draw the another line, and this line will be y is equal to 4 plus x, and these two lines meet this point. Draw a line from point this point parallel to x-axis, and draw the perpendicular drawn on x-axis. This point will be 3 on x-axis and 7 on y-axis. 3 7, so that the graphically answer of this question will be 3 7. X is the number of boys, so that number of boys is 3 and number of girls is 7. Now I am taking question number second of this exercise. Here given that 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. On comparing, you will get a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 4 and c1 is equal to 8. This is the second equation. Compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. You will get a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Now a1 upon a2 will be 5 upon 7, b1 upon b2 minus 4 upon 6, c1 upon c2 8 upon minus 9. Then clearly it shows that a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. These two fractions are not equal, so that the condition is applied a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, so that unique solution, or you can say intersecting line, one solution. Now I am coming on the question number 7 of the exercise 3.2. All the points will be covered in these questions. Draw the graph. I am reading the question. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. The first equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. You can write in this form x is equal to y minus 1. You can find out 3 or 4 values of this equation, of these two variables x and y. Here I find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values of x and y. This is the second equation. I can write this y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 solutions of this equation. There are 6 solutions of this equation. I am telling how to find the solution. First, put y is equal to 0 in this equation. You will get x is equal to minus 1. Put y is equal to 1 in this equation. You will get x is equal to 0, and so on. Now come on to this equation. Put x is equal to 0 in this equation. 3 into 0, 0. 12 upon 2, that is 6. I am taking second value. 3 into 2, x is equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6. 12 minus 6, यानी कि 6 upon 2, 3. 2 3 is 6, and so on. Now I am plotting the graph. The first point is minus 1 0. Minus 1 0 will be this point. Second point is 0 1. 0 1, this point. Third point minus 2 minus 1. Second last point 2 3. This is 2. This is 3. 3 4. This is 3 4, and so on. This line will be x minus y. X is equal to y minus 1, and the plotting of second line 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. First point is 0 6. 0 6. This is the 0 6 on y axis. Second point 2 3. This will be the 2 3 point. Third point 4 0. 4 0 and 6 minus 3. This will be the 6 minus 3. Now draw these two lines. This line will be 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now as given in the question, shade these two lines and x-axis. This is x-axis and these line, then you will shade this portion. Continue to the question. I am also adding 2 points. Shade this triangle. This will given in the question, and shade the triangular region. This is the triangular region. Now I am adding 2 more points. Find the area of the triangle. You have to find the area of the triangle. Now 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2 into base means 1 2 3 4 5. 5, and height is 1 2 3. Height is 3, that is 15 by 2, or you can say 7.5 unit square.